Hello, EDLS 700 candidates. Dr. Palermo with your Week 8 infomercial, and let's prep for weekend number 2 message. Uh, it is ACC tour. It is March 6th today, and we will be meeting in Goldsboro this weekend, March 10th and 11th, and you have some presentations to do. I'm looking forward to your presentations on your leadership texts, the books that you've picked to share with the class. There are lots of different theories of leadership, and this is one way for us to surface lots of different theories and ideas, and a little bit of a commentary from you too about how you have found these things. So what is the expectation for these things? Let's see if this will work. Well, first of all, thanks to your help, we do have a calendar, and this is the schedule for our presentations this weekend. You have a half an hour, so I would say with transitions, a presentation that would be about 20 minutes, 20 and 25 minutes would suit me just fine, and we will need to move pretty quickly to stay on track with that. So what's the expectation? What should you prepare, and how am I going to assess your presentations in class? Here's a rubric that I didn't create, but I'm going to use this weekend to assess them. And whereas I think in the future, especially when I teach the curriculum class, if you have me, I would want you to be more engaging and involve the class in the presentation. This is pretty much a stand and deliver. This is the content of this book. Here's my impression of it. You might find it interesting kind of PowerPoint. So your stack of slides, however many work for you in 20 minutes, meets the information requirements, prepares it, and presents it in a logical sequence. I do think we shouldn't have too much text per slide. So if you can summarize a chapter in a couple of words, that's a great thing. And it must be free from spelling and grammar errors to get full credit anyway. The slides, if you have pictures and pictures and design and fonts and colors and animations and sounds, cool. Okay, you don't have to have that stuff, but would enhance your presentation. And again, don't read it to us. So a little bit of this is about the presentation, how you can stand and deliver. And again, as aspiring administrators, I hope that you will, that this will be good practice for you, because you're going to spend plenty of time standing and delivering these kinds of things in the future. So that's the rubric that I'll be using to evaluate you, just so you know, and those are the expectations. I do not expect you to do an engaging lesson or to prepare copies for us. We'll figure out some way so that we can upload these and everybody can see them. But anyway, that's the expectation for the 30-minute presentations this weekend. You are also working on your ODP, and I would like you to bring, well, you don't have to bring anything, but I'm going to model for you how a good, constructive, critical friends kind of peer review can happen. And then we will try to do that through a dialogue post. You don't need to tackle this just yet. I would say wait for me to explain the steps in the process and walk you through it. I'll try to model it. So if someone has their ODP ready to share with me, I'd be glad to model that for y'all. So you should be continuing on reading in Hughes et al., Becoming a Strategic Leader. Make sure that you bring your copy of the book. We're going to do some self-assessments from chapter 4 and have some fun with that, I hope, assessing your strategic leadership abilities as well as the trust factors in your life. So bring that book, please, and I look forward to seeing you this weekend. I think we'll be in the same place, so come to Wayne Learning Center, and yeah, we're at the same old place in Goldsboro, starting at 9 o'clock Saturday the 10th. Thank you. See you there.